in morning? For lots of people, eating something in the morning is an almost impossible task. Whether it's because they don't have enough time or just don't feel hungry. Most end up skipping breakfast. So instead of going all morning without nourishment or forcing yourself to eat, how about starting the day with an easy to prepare drink that will both improve your day, contribute to your health, and even help you to lose weight. The recipe you are going to show you today calls for 3 ingredients that are very beneficial for our health. The first ingredient is lemon. If you already follow our channel, you probably know that lemon water is very healthy way to start your day. It can both moisturize our skin and strengthen our immune system, since lemons have detoxifying properties. Plus, drinking water with lemon is a great way to stimulate your digestive system. Studies have also shown that lemons can reduce your hunger, which is good news for anyone who wants to lose weight. The next ingredient this recipe calls is chia, which has many of the same benefits as lemons. Chia seeds strengthen our immune system, contribute to our weight loss, and detoxify our body. Not only are rich in several important nutrients, they also help control diabetes, because they contain large amount of the fiber that increases the time it takes to release sugar into the blood. Chia seeds are also great for your heart because they contain fatty acids that can prevent the formation of the blood clots, arrhythmias, and bad cholesterol. Last but not least is honey. Many people think all it does is sweeten the recipe, but they might be impressed by its numerous benefits. Honey also strengthens the immune system and is rich in probiotics, meaning it can improve the overall health of your body. Honey is also an excellent source of energy, and it can give you the initial boost you need to get your day off to a good start. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 glass of water. Instructions: put the chia seeds in the water and let them sit for 2 hours. The seeds should have a gel-like consistency after the time is up. Strain the water and blend the seeds with the honey and the lemon. Finally, mix everything for a few minutes and then drink it. What did you think of this recipe? Tell us in the comments.